Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all having a fun March. In celebration of Women's History Month, we are making madeleines, created by Madeleine Palmier. In the late 1700s, Madeleine Palmier was a servant at the Marquis Perrotin de Beaumont in the town of Commissary. The Duke of Lorraine at the time was hosting a reception in his castle where Madeleine came across a commotion between the steward and the cook over the original dessert that was going to be served for the reception. The dessert became unable to be served, so Madeleine suggested a recipe from her grandmother, which ended up being the madeleines we know today. These are very simple to make, but you are going to need a madeleine pan or mold, such as this one. I have the link for this one in the description box below. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below. So let's put on our chef's coats and let's get baking.
To make your madeleines, you'll need 3 eggs, 2/3 cups of sugar, 1½ teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 6 tablespoons of melted unsalted butter. To get started, sift or whisk the flour, baking powder, and salt in a separate bowl, then place it to the side. In an electric mixer, beat the eggs with the sugar until it has a pale yellow color. Then add in the vanilla extract. Switch the whisk attachment with the paddle attachment and add in your dry ingredients until just combined. Finally, add the melted butter and mix all together. Remove from the mixer and place the batter in the refrigerator for at least 1 hour or even overnight. This will help you create the hump madeleines are traditionally known for. When it's time to bake them, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Lightly coat a non-stick madeleine pan or mold with baking spray and scoop at least a tablespoon of batter into the center of the well. Don't touch the batter, it will spread out by itself and keep a more uniform shape. Bake for about 8 to 10 minutes until slightly golden around the edges, the center looks set, and a slight hump has appeared. Let them cool slightly and remove them from the pan or the mold onto a wired rack to cool completely. Once cooled completely, you can serve them with a dusting of powdered sugar or dip them in delicious chocolate. If you decide to dip them in chocolate, you can dip 1 part in or place some chocolate in the madeleine mold and press the madeleine slightly in. I went a little extra with a few of them and added some edible luster dust. And now you're ready to enjoy your delicious Madeleine.
And that is it. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and hit that notification button so you know what the next video is. Also, share this video with your friends and family and tell them to subscribe as well. It's totally free to do so, and we have a lot of fun on this channel. I had a fantastic time making Madeleines, and I hope you did as well. If you recreate the Madeleines or any other desserts I've made on this channel, please DM me at this Instagram account to get an awesome shout out. Hope everyone is staying safe and well. Enjoy your Madeleines and have a great day. Bye!